Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P60F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Dell P60F are not responding, you're not alone. This issue can often occur due to debris, dust, or even a faulty keyboard connection. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making it difficult to use your laptop effectively. To fix this, you'll require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new keyboard compatible with a Dell P60F. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the back cover using your spudger, taking care to release any clips without applying too much force. Once open, locate the keyboard connection cable. It's usually found near the top of the device. Gently lift the connector using your spudger, ensuring you do not damage the surrounding components. After that, unscrew the screws holding down the keyboard, which are typically located at the top of the keyboard assembly. Remember to note where each screw belongs for easy reassembly. Carefully lift the keyboard from the base and disconnect it fully from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new keyboard and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely in place. Apply gentle pressure while screwing the keyboard back into the base, making sure not to over-tighten as this could damage the screws or the casing. Once everything is secure, replace the back cover, pressing it down until all clips are firmly in place. Finally, power on your Dell P60F and test each key to make sure they are functioning properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your keyboard and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. Additionally, consider using a keyboard cover to protect against dust and debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.